Guys, welcome to my channel Techno Club, and today we are available with one of the most famous gaming laptop, HP OMEN. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now let me show you the box first. On top of it, OMEN is written, and here we are available with Bang & Olufsen audio, which is basically placed in Ferrari car. Now Now just see the packing. A laptop looks like that. Here we are available with fans. और इसका बॉक्स काफ़ी अच्छा दिया हुआ है HP वालों ने. ये इसके एक चार्जर है इसका. उसका चार्जर थोड़ा बहुत मुझे तो मतलब बेसिकली ये पावर बैंक जैसा लग रहा है. HP का लोगो है यहाँ पे. Now keeping this aside, I'm getting back to the laptop. And in this we are available with the red backlit and this WASD with white. And now on the desktop we are available with the OMEN logo. So without any further delay, let me just show you the configurations quickly. So now in this we are available with the i5 7th generation Intel Core 7300 HQ processor, 2.50 GHz and 8 GB internal RAM. And now about the graphics. In this we get NVIDIA GeForce 1050, and in this we get the speakers of Bang & Olufsen, which is basically placed in Ferrari car, as I told you earlier. So now now let's quickly get back to the NVIDIA control panel. Let me show you the back side of laptop first. And now as we can see that it is written GeForce GTX 1050. On it. Here we can see that OMEN is written. Let me show you. And now this was all about laptop, and along with this we get an Odyssey bag. Let me show you the bag. it looks pretty good. So hope guys you like my video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button.